Hello. So moving on, in this lecture we are going to be talking about how to hide and show lines in SolidWorks. So to start, let me just delete this view because we don't need it, and I'm going to move this view over by clicking on that view and moving it over. So depending on whatever company you work for, some companies might require you to just take out all these extra fillet lines that are applied to the drawing that are not really needed. So what you can do is you can just hide those edges in the drawing. So to do that, you right click and you see this hide and show edge, you click it, and any line you click. So you can hold the control key and click on multiple lines and all the lines you want to hide, and once you've clicked them, you right click and show and hide, and that's how you can delete all that lines. And at the company where I currently work for, we use this feature to clean the drawing a lot nicer. So that is pretty much how you hide it. And let's say you've hide the drawing, you didn't delete it, you just hide those edges. As you can see, if I hover over it, the line is still kind of like highlighting when I hover over it. So to show it back, just hover over it till one of those lines shows and right click and click show, and right click and click show, and now you have all those lines in the yellow are the lines you've deleted. So now you can, if you start selecting them one by one, those lines will start showing back again. So I'll just select all those lines and click OK, and now the lines are back again. So that is how you hide and show lines in SolidWorks. In some cases you would need it, especially like, okay, up here with all this extra line, you can delete it, so that way the drawing is not more complicated to read when you send it to like a manufacturer. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.